at me, look at you. Have I changed very much? So now you're a writer. You're a writer and I'm an actress. We both got swept up into the whirlpool. Tagore never believed in the theater. And he laughed at all my dreams, so that little by little I stopped believing in it too. And then all the emotional stress, the jealousy. I grew petty, depressed. My acting became emptier and emptier. I didn't know what to do with my hands. I didn't know how to control myself on stage. I couldn't control my voice. You don't know what that's like. To realize that you're a terrible actor. But I'm not like that anymore. I'm a real actor now. I enjoy acting. I'm proud of it. The stage intoxicates me. When I'm up there, I feel beautiful. And I realize now, Kostya, I understand finally that the main thing, it isn't the sound of the applause, it isn't being famous, it's not what I thought it was. All it is having the strength to keep going, no matter what. You have to believe. I believe, and it helps. And now when I think of my calling, I'm not afraid of life. I better go. When I've become a famous actress, come and see me, won't you? Promise.